What I have for you guys today is the Llama C10 electric trike, E-Trike electric tricycle right here. It is a personal mobility machine for those who are handicapped. Maybe you're getting a little up in age. Maybe your parents never taught you how to balance on two wheels. So this is kind of freedom, you know? This is not the wheelhouse of E-MTB review, that's for sure. But every time I tool around the local parks and whatnot, man, you see all the elderly folks just looking at me, asking me questions and whatnot. So I dig it. I dig it. It's for the older generation, gets them around. I say, you know, motion is lotion. So if you get the sunlight in the morning, just go around your 2 miles around your neighborhood, and you know, this can extend your life, believe it or not. So it is an assist e-bike. By the way, cool price. 2,500 normally, but right now they have a sale going on for $100 off, so 2,100, and they give you about $330 worth of free stuff for Mother's Day. So very cool. And I've actually reviewed like 4 trikes already. One very expensive one, 4,000, and then one that's 1,000. At 1,000, they're really chintzy. You want these things. These are vehicle replacements, so you want them sturdy. You want them the best materials. You're probably elderly. You don't want to be tipping over. You want something that's stable. So I can vouch for this, and you'll see my test rider Travis just really play with it. So what is special about it is aluminum construction, very sturdy. You know, the racks are like so solid, and has a 1,500 watt motor, has a 960 watt hour battery. It's huge, and you have an option for another one, so you can have almost 2,000 watt hours of battery. So very long range. 70-mile range if you are pedaling, and if you're throttle only, it can do about 30 miles of range. So you know, you have your options. Really ergonomic, nice handlebar, very cool brakes. The throttle, I wish it was a grip, but I think for the elder generation, they don't want them to grab that and loop out. So they give you a little throttle here, but got a nice horn, there's some lights, and you know, suspension that is pretty functional. So I like it. I like it. And you'll see from our test ride, metal fenders, it's very well built, very sturdy, 450 payload capacity. So 1,500 watts, like I said, so it can climb hills. It can go 20 miles an hour, no problem. Class 1, so I think you could do a little more. So the brakes are interesting. You have hand brakes here, pretty typical, but front and rear, so it's not going to roll away. And check this out. So this feature is really just available on a what do you call that? A trike with a limited slip differential right here. So you see this. So the problem with some of these vehicles is the turning radius is very big, but because it has a limited an open differential, the outside tire can spin faster than the front, so it can do really tight turns. So it gives it that maneuverability. That's just crazy. So pretty stable as well. No reverse on this guy, but I think you're gonna be okay. So throttle right there, and then one of the really cool things is it's a torque sensor. So torque sensor means as you pedal, it's gonna help you very gently, meaning it's not like a cadence sensor where as soon as you pedal, it just boosts you along. So this is the highest boost, so the hardest to control. But not bad, huh? Not bad. So right there, I'm able to control it. And just remind yourself, folks, that it's a tricycle. So you drive it like an ATV or a golf cart. Meaning, if you're coming from a bicycle, you have to be careful. Don't go 20 miles an hour and steer it, because you're gonna counter lean, and you can't counter lean. You have to lean with a bike, otherwise it's gonna flip over on you. But and my buddy Travis, he was basically riding it all day on 2 wheels. Pretty darn amazing. So very stable, and you can see he was doing wheelies on it. So there you go. Let me take you on a test drive, and pretty fascinating machine, and I'll give you strengths and weaknesses of this thing. Throttle only, high speed test. $20 miles an hour. 20 miles an hour. Nice and stable. Now we take it to the dirt. Handling test.
It's a heavy machine, but it's a stable machine. And once you learn how to work with it, you know, you can really maneuver it around. The open differential really helps. And here it is on the grass. It's got fairly good grip. No need for all-wheel drive, you know, for normal tooling around. This is a very loose surface, and you could see how, you know, it's able to carry on. It's got good weight to it. And finally, we'll just do some fun tests. Note here that our test rider is standing on the rack, and this is a testimonial to how solid this machine is. 450-pound payload, but every part of the bike is solid.
So core strength is it's a very rideable, very user-friendly machine, it really is stable. If you're an older person, just getting on, never learn how to balance, just getting on your first tricycle, I think it's a good one to learn with. Has a trigger, and very very confidence-inspiring brakes. So very cool. The value as well is good. You know, I saw a $4,000 trike all-wheel drive, but I think, man, that's a little unnecessary. This one is 2,500, but on sale for about 2,100 with a bunch of free stuff. Really cool. And then the color is cool, very attractive. High vis. At first, I didn't want the high colors. They only had 3 colors, and I'm like, they're all bright, too bright for me. But when I saw it, I'm like, it makes it visible, but attractive at the same time. A loud color, but they've since added 2 muted colors, a black and a gray. So you have your option. So what are the weaknesses? I would prefer a grip throttle. It's easier to hold your speed when you have when you're doing your grip and you're hitting bumps and whatnot. Another weakness I would say is it would be nice if they had a matte cover for the trays, front and rear. That way you can just put your stuff in there, your little accessories or your phone, without it falling through. Right now you have to have a fitted cover for it not to fall through, or you put your own basket. So a little bit inconvenient. And I've seen some that have covers as well, so to keep it hidden and secure. It would be nice to have a child carrier here so your kids can sit in the back, or an adult, but I think that's their other model. So one thing I'll say is we'll have a link in the description. It'll help us out if you click it, but they have like 20 different styles of electric tricycles, bicycles too, and e-motos. But I think electric tricycles is where Llama really is their core strength. So there you go, my friends. Probably not for you hardcore bikers, but think about your parents, think about your grandparents, aunts and uncles, or neighbors out there that you think can benefit from the improved mobility around the neighborhood, and maybe some car replacement. You know, maybe take away their car if they're like 9 years old and put them on an E-Trike. All right, thanks for that, everybody.